Lake Como, located in Italy, is a breathtaking place with spectacular scenery and a rich cultural heritage. Set amidst the majestic Italian Alps, the lake is famous for its stunning beauty and tranquil atmosphere. Lake Como, one of the most popular tourist destinations in Italy, attracts travelers from all over the world. Its crystal-clear waters surrounded by lush greenery and small towns create an enchanting atmosphere. Lake Como has long been a popular vacation destination for locals and tourists alike. Its proximity to major cities such as Milan makes it easily accessible for day trips or weekend getaways. The rich history and cultural heritage of the region is evident in the charming towns along the shores of the lake. Lake Como has also become a favorite destination for celebrities and famous people seeking privacy and luxury amidst an idyllic setting. The lake's glamorous reputation has made it an exclusive vacation destination for the elite. Whether you are looking for a vacation amidst stunning scenery or want to explore historical sites and enjoy the local cuisine, there is something for everyone at Lake Como.